Hello everyone and welcome to this new video. In this video, I will be showing you all my new coding programs. So let's begin by opening my test folder. Now we are in from Fahrenheit to Celsius, from gallon to liters, from kilometers per hour to Seoul, from lb to kilogram. By the way, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video. And watch my other educational and gaming videos. Then let a nice comment if you like the content. Let's start. One more try. Now second program. Third one. And finally the fourth one. Second try. Thanks for watching.